For today's main course, we recommend making the ground meatballs. Cut up a medium-sized red onion into tiny pieces. Cut up 8 ounces of bacon and put it on a pan to fry. Take the ground meat, put it in a bowl, and add mixed spices and red peppers. Add 1 egg and pieces of white bread without the crusts. Add salt and pepper. Once the bacon is fried, add the red onions to the pan. After the onions are fried, add the mixture to the ground meat mix. Once you're done mixing with a spoon, mix the ingredients by hand. Take the chicken breasts and cut them horizontally. Smash the chicken breast. Take the ground meat mixture and put it on a flat surface on plastic foil. Even out the mixture and put the chicken breasts on top of it. Add salt. Add mixed spices and pepper. Over the ingredients, add 4 ounces of ham. Grate some cheese and put it on top. Use the plastic foil on the bottom to roll the entire mix of ingredients in order to make a nice meat roll. Take a pan and spray it with oil. Put the meat roll on the pan and take out the plastic foil. Put oil on top of the meat roll as well. Bake for 30 minutes at 356 Fahrenheit. Take out the meat roll off the pan and cut it up into pieces. Take a plate and put lettuce leaves on it. Take your meat rolls and put them over the lettuce. Add your boiled potatoes alongside the meat rolls. Decorate with parsley and tomatoes. The estimated duration for the preparation of this meal is about 70 minutes. Bon appetit!